Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we'll be talking about lab 19 of SC300, which is registering an application. So the access one will be registering an application, and we'll be talking about various supporting account types while we register an application. And apart from this, I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. I hope you like it. So let's go ahead and start the video. So coming to the registering an application, let's go to the Active Directory, which is this one. Let's click the Active Directory, and in the Active Directory under Manage, you can see there is application registrations. So yeah, it's here. You can click the app registrations, and once you go here, you can see the applications that have been created and all the applications and so on. So right now let's go ahead and register an application. For that, let's click New Registration, and we have got a dashboard where we have to give the name and support account types based on our needs and a redirect URL. So this is an option, so this we'll leave it for now, and let's discuss about the other one. So let's give the name as demo app according to the docs. So, and coming to the support account types, so you can see the first option, it is accounts in the organizational directory only, MRT directory only, single tenant. So this is our directory. As you can see, we have MRT directory. So basically, if you're building an application for use only by the users or the guests in your tenant, so specifically for your tenants, then you have to use this first option. So it is also called as line of business, which is LOB in short application. And this app is a single tenant application in Microsoft Identity Platform. So that is all about the first option. And for instance, let's say you select the second option. So why should you select this? So if you want users in any Active Directory tenant to be able to use your application, then you have to select the second option. As you can see, it is a multi-tenant. So this type of app is also known as multi-tenant application in Microsoft Identity Platform. So that is all about second one. So let's go ahead for the third one, which is account in any organizational directory, any Azure AD multi-tenant and personal Microsoft accounts, example Skype and Xbox. So for this option, it gives access to a widest set of customers. As you can see, we also have multi-tenant as well as personal accounts. So if you're registering a multi-tenant application, that can be also support users who have personal accounts, as we can see in the description here. So this is all about the third option. And coming to the last and final option, which is personal Microsoft accounts only. So if you're building an application only for the users who have the personal Microsoft accounts, and personal Microsoft accounts include Skype, Xbox Live and Hotmail accounts. So you have to select this option if you're going with that one. So this is all about these support account types. So in this case, we'll be limiting to our directory. So that is the reason we'll be selecting the first option. So we'll select the first option and make sure you give the name here, and right now we just leave redirect URL. And the last option that you have to do is just create a register. So it will be completing the app, and you will be redirected to the demo app. So wait for some time and it will be done. So within seconds you have been redirected to your demo app that you have created. So that's it for now. In the next video we'll be talking about configuring platform settings. So for this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of this video and different supporting account types. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.